Well, hi, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Have you ever heard of a bubble up casserole? Well, I'm going to be making a type of bubble up casserole right now. A bubble up is mainly you take some biscuits and you kind of break them apart and you put them in a casserole dish, and then you create a casserole using those broken up biscuits. I'm making something unusual today. I'm making something I created in my mind. I'm making a Big Mac bubble up, just like a Big Mac. I'm ripping up my biscuit now. I'm gonna start cooking this a little bit, get them plumping. I'll start by cooking up some beef and adding some onions to the pan. 1 cup of Thousand Island dressing. 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Tablespoon of relish. Shake of onion powder. Shake of garlic powder. Shake of salt and shake of pepper. Pour that meat mixture on top. Cover with a layer of triple cheddar cheese. I'm gonna bake it in the oven for 30 minutes. The Big Mac was actually created by a franchisee of McDonald's, Jim Delegati, from the Pittsburgh area McDonald's. He created it in 1967, and it was originally called the Aristocrat Burger, then changed names to the Blue Ribbon Burger, and eventually got called the Big Mac. It's all done. I'm going to top it with some lettuce and some Thousand Island dressing. Wow, it looks really fun. But how does it taste? A Big Mac bubble up. Let's find out. Wonderful. All the essentials of a Big Mac right inside. You can't go wrong with this one. You might want to try it in your household too. Thank you for joining me here at Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It's always a pleasure having you in my kitchen, and come back again soon. What did the frog order at McDonald's? French fries and a Diet Coke.